What's your retirement plan? Work until you're dead?
I'm so tired of micromanaging. How do I train, manage, and lead? I can't find time to be visionary. Head down in the weeds.
You're the heartbeat of your practice. You handle the clients from the first meeting to the closing of the matter. But oh my goodness, you're tired of all the time and you're wondering how all those successful lawyers you see on social media and meet at the bar at the conferences you go to have time for vacations, yoga class, 75 hard, team retreats, and get to eat at home with their family at night. They learned how to scale. That is to hire the people that complement what you do. Maybe take some off your plate and optimize it, and then rinse and repeat. You need to focus on spending your time doing what is the highest and best use. Is it as a CVO? That should be your goal, and then allow your team to be the CXO. So let's get into it. What do you need in place to live the life you want and to eventually retire from it all? Number one, you need a client success manager, a CXO, which is a chief client experience officer. It's all the buzzword now. An executive who is responsible for the overall customer experience of a company's product and service. You need a project manager of sorts who brings the client into the firm, collects all their information into your CRM, gets it organized how you like, and manages you and the client on the journey through your service to profitability. This person really needs to be intimately familiar with your desired outcomes. They will be the person with the higher than average emotional intelligence to make clients feel comfortable and heard. And they will be the person who helps you build the overall client journey. Number two, you need to back way out and design a process map. What is a process map? It is a flow chart of how a process is supposed to work in this day and age. Not the one that you bought from a conference or from an expert in 1997. A lead comes through your website. What happens next? Have you experienced this yourself? Has your team experienced this? Your client success manager follows up on the lead by reaching out, beginning the intake process. And again, listen to my last pocket coach on what the heck all the buzz is with intake. Once it is complete, you are briefed on the case, then you have your first meeting with the client, etc. This is the feeling and the process in motion. Having this high-level view allows you, the attorney, the entrepreneur, to know what's going on. It gives your team the framework they need to flesh out all the details of the process. Your hands do not need to be in it once you've laid out your vision, once you've laid out your part in the process. Number three, do you enjoy the act or process of selling? Be honest with yourself. Are you good at it? Does it eat up too much of your time and you don't have the conversions that you need to be profitable? Is your closing rate higher than 75%? Perhaps it is time to consider a non-attorney salesperson. This role can fill multiple holes in your process, but is focused on selling. This person will take the leads that come in via the website, phones, however, referral sources, and they will be the first touch point for the potential new client. And they are freeing you up to meet with paying clients. Think about it. How many times have you been so frustrated because of cancellations, reschedules, tire kickers, and plate lickers? They're unqualified. They're on your calendar. They shouldn't be there. Now You have a non-attorney salesperson. I bet my bottom dollar their conversion rate is higher than yours, which is not about the ego, it is about the dollars and cents. So those two hires are the beginnings of turning your law firm that you created for yourself, freeing yourself up, getting into the CBO, getting into the entrepreneur, and now you have consistent, persistent operations from lead generation to closing the matter. As you grow, you may or may not add on partners or associates or paralegals that allow you to take more and more steps back from practicing the law and running a business. And then once you build your well-oiled machine, and yes, it is possible, you can sell that machine and ride it into the sunset. But lastly, a piece that you will undoubtedly want to add to your business is a client care program. Not only is this a MRR, monthly reoccurring revenue stream for you and your business, but it is extremely valuable tool to stay in front of your clients. And this is something that increases the value of your firm dramatically. If you're ready to begin crafting your real retirement plan, send me an email, molly@hiringandempowering.com. Send me a DM on LinkedIn, Facebook, all the channels, and put in the title, Sales Breakthrough Plan. And I will personally send you a precise, simple intake form that we send to all of our clients, and I will personally make you a customized video responding to exactly what you need to do to build or elevate your people, your process, your production. Yes, sales and marketing is process and production, and eventually profitability and sellability.
I'm so tired of micromanaging. How do I train, manage, and lead? I can't find time to be visionary. Head down in the weeds.